Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome. So today is Expiration Friday. It is Friday, March the 18th, 2022. And last couple of days I've been moving into a new place. So I haven't posted some videos there, but today is Expiration Friday. So as you can see here, margin, full margin account. So with NVDA, we attack NVDA. What do? If I'm not talking to you as I'm looking at you, I'm looking at my screens over here, so just bear with me. What's the first thing we do? First thing we do is we draw the box. So let's open this up a little bit more so that you can see it. NVIDIA made a monster move to the upside today. So it opened up inside of the box right here. So when it opens up inside this box, we don't take the trade, we wait. And then we wait to see what happens. And NVIDIA simply, absolutely just ripped. Like literally like 20 bucks or so. Almost 20 bucks, 19 bucks. So I told my guys, since it's Expiration Friday, I told my guys, well, let's not hold on to it. Let's get it out there and let's have at it. Let's rip away. So you see the 200 right here, just a wicked slope to the upside. And then you see the 20 right here. NVIDIA, the price action just hugged the 20. Now, it's what I always keep preaching when I'm teaching you these videos in the live trading sessions, is indicators are fine and all kind of stuff. I don't care about them. Price action, volume, directional trend. That's it. Why do I have indicators up here, you may ask? Well, I keep them up here for secondary and tertiary type of reasons. This is just confirming the trend. This is the rate of change. I like the rate of change because the rate of change is very crucial when you're doing the 200 and you're doing the 20, you're doing the moving averages. You want that rate of change because the rate of change is going to give you a forward momentum type of an indicator as to where the stock is going to be headed via the price action and the moving averages. So that's why I have it. So what did we do today? Well, let's keep the video short and sweet. Let me come over here. I send out the text alert to my guys. I'm not going to tell you what we paid for it, for the option, but I told my guys, 18th of March 2022, NVIDIA 260 strike call. I'm looking for plus 30. I'm looking for 30 contracts. I told my guys to get 30 contracts. Obviously, I got way more contracts, as you'll see. And I told them 40% profit, minus 10% stop loss. This is the day trade, but they know these expire today. Don't hold them till the end of the day. Don't copy and steal my stuff. Obviously, Double P. So spoiler alert, you see what I made right there. I got out at 11:14 at $19,700 profit, day profit. So let's look at this. 9:59 and 11. 9:59 and 11:16. So where were we at 9:59? Sent out the trade alert right there for my guys. As you can see, we missed this portion right here because, again, I was moving and I had to deal with my builder representatives that came into the house to look at some stuff. So I missed this portion of the move right here, which was a monster move. But I got in right here and captured that monster move, right? Oh, and then some. So 11:16. So let's roll over here to 11:16. This is when I got out. Right around here, or 11:14, sorry. Got out on that candle right there, still touching the highs. So let's kind of blow this up a little bit. If you need to see it, actually, you know what? Well, this is the option side, so you see how high the options went. Crazy. Let's come over here. Let's go onto the big screen so that you can see it on the big screen. So you can see it a little bit better here. So at 11:16, that's when 11:14. Sorry, that's when I got out. So right around, let's see, 11:14, right here, right there on that nice candle right there. So literally touching the high again, ripped. Yeah, there's a little bit of a dip here that's going to happen. NVIDIA made such a big move that it's got to breathe. It's got to like kind of dip a little bit, capture its strength before the next momentum run up here. And I knew that because I marked out my levels. And then right here, we're in and we're out. Great move on NVIDIA. So you'll see this over here. Let me put that over there just for transparency's sakes. There we go. 19,700. That was a plus 2,500% move in that particular option. And that's it, in and out. Don't copy and steal my stuff, right? So that's it for today. If you like this video, somewhere in the description and also in the link, you're going to see a link to my site. Head on back over to the Platinum Traders Group. Love to have you. Love to get you on board. Love to show you the box strategy. Love to show you how to do intraday momentum option scalping and show you how to be a fantastic trader, right? It takes diligence, it takes hard work, it takes skill, and we have all that inside of the course. So smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next trading session, which would be next week. Take care, Double P over and out.